Dear members, I am secretary of this Netaji Club. Any member shouting is a very, very nonsense. You know, cement is a very costly material.
Cement not at all costly. In India, lot of cement factories there.
Where?
There. Shankar Cement, AC Cement, DC Cement, INGC Cement, CIGC Cement, Tata Cement, Birla Cement, Tharavam Cement everywhere. This 140 rupees for one sack of cement is cheating. He is cheating. Kallai.
My dear members, you might receive CO. I know like it. Insult. You're an idiot.
I'm not an idiot, stupid.
Me shut up.
Shut up.
I call you, so I kill you.
ഇല്ലടാ.
ഓ ജൂലെ.
നീ പോടാ
നീ
ജൂലെ.
എവിടുന്ന് വന്നതാ?
നീ എവിടുന്ന് വന്നതാ?
നീ ആരാടാ?
എന്നെ മേടിച്ചോ.
നീ എന്ത് ചെയ്യും?
അറിയാം അവനെ.
ഇവിടെ ആരാ?